Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Janet Almasan from Isabela, Philippines. I am 37 years old and a married woman. I have one children, aged 3 years old. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are playing with children, singing, and dancing. I worked as a domestic helper before in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years and 4 months. I have 4 members. I serve 4 members in the family, 1 toddler and 1 newborn. I teach them how to be a good person. My duties are taking care of children, wash the dishes, doing laundry, ironing, cooking, and cleaning the house. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to save money for my kids' future. Before I end this introduction, I would like to share with you a short song entitled The Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Thank you, and I hope you like my song. And to my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. I hope I will be working with you there in Hong Kong very soon. Have a good day.